You may have seen this levitating water trick before, in which a piece of paper or some kind of flat board is placed on top of a full glass of water, and after turning the glass over, the paper stays put and the water doesn't fall out. So what's going on here? Well, it all has to do with air pressure. The Earth's gravity is what gives all objects weight, including the air in our atmosphere. So at sea level, where there's the most air above you, the weight of all that air is about 15 pounds in every square inch. Now that air pressure acts on you in all directions, and if we take a look at the glass, we can see that the cup itself prevents the air pressure from acting on the water from all sides but one. This orifice being the only side the air can actuate on means that if the weight of the water inside is less than 15 pounds for every square inch of the orifice, then the air pressure will be able to hold out the water. So why doesn't this work without a paper? Well, that's because without a paper, the water being a liquid will flow out non-uniformly, creating places where the air will flow in, pushing the water out. But with a paper, the air pressure has a flat area to act upon, and it stops the air from entering the cup and displacing the water inside. You can even observe the strength of the air pressure here, where the paper is pushed into the cup instead of out, as most people would expect. And sometimes it is strong enough to push the paper into the cup. Thanks for watching.